what we heard. Yes, that was Corey Himes. I do not have no times, do not have no nothing. So I don't know who's fast, I don't know anything. It is starting to get real windy and cold. I know the Dodge has been out several times, in and out, in and out. Not sure who the driver is, so I don't know there. They need to ask me. I don't know nothing. Not many cars here. I know one has blew up and left. Not many on the track as of right now. I think Infinger, whoever's in the 7, and then Corey's coming in. So, not sure who's fast. I know the Dodges look real well. They've had a lot of speed, last for what we've seen. Tricon's been really, really good today. Corey's been fast. Lane Riggs looks fast. But we figured we'd give you a little taste. We did the Xfinity Series. I call it the Xfinity Series, but the O'Reilly Series. Do a little truck section for a few minutes, and then we're going to head on to the house because it's getting cold. Make sure you tune in to the YouTube channel. I got videos going there. We'll be at Florence tomorrow, so look forward to it.